Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin Sir. Today in this master series class of profit and loss, we will solve some more new types of questions. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, check out the links in the description box below. Now type 9, question number 10. A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 15% and B sells it to C at a profit of 20%. Find the resultant profit percent. Now listen, I will solve this question by two methods. Now the first method, it is given that A sells a bicycle to B, A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 15%. Profit means plus 15%. And B sells it to C at a profit of 20%. B sells it to C at a profit of 20%. Now, suppose the CP for A is rupees 100, then here the selling price will be 100 plus 15% of 100, so that is equal to 115. And again B sells it to C at a profit of 20%. That means here 115 plus 20% of 115. That means here it is 115 plus 20% of 115. So that is equal to 115 plus 20% means 1 by 5 into 115. So that is equal to here 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So that is equal to 115 plus 23. So that is equal to 138. Now we have to find out the resultant profit percent. Here from 100 it is increased to 138. So that is here there is a increase of 38, and so to find out the percentage, so it will be 38 by 100 into 100. So that means here that is equal to 38%. Now here it is profit according to our formula, it is CP and it is multiplied with 100 to get the percentage. So that is equal to 38%. That means your option 1 is the right answer. But listen, there is a simple formula for this and you can use that formula. Then what is that formula? Now listen, here A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 15%. Suppose this is our X percent, and B sells it to C at a profit of Y percent. 20% means suppose it is Y percent. So there is a formula for this: X plus Y plus XY by 100. So that is equal to 15 plus 20 plus 15 into 20 by 100. 25 are 100, 5 3s are 15. So that means there is 38%. Now here it is percent, resultant percent, so that is equal to 38%. Now next question, that is question number 11. Now students, as you know that I am solving just 2 or 3 problems because it will help you to concentrate more on the questions. A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 20% and B sells it to C at a loss of 15%. Find the resultant profit or loss percent. Now again I will solve this question by using 2 methods. Now here A, B and C. A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 20%, that means that is plus 20%, and B sells it to C at a loss of 15%, that means that is minus 15%. Now here, suppose here CP for A is rupees 100, then 20% profit means it will be 100 plus 20% of 100, so that is equal to 120. And again it is sold to B at a loss of 15%, that means here it will be 120 minus 15% of 120, so that is equal to 120 minus 15 by 100 into 120. Here this 0 cancels this 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 3 into 6 that is 18, so 120 minus 18, so that is equal to 102. That means initially the CP was 100 and now it is sold at 100 finally, that means finally it was sold at 102 rupees. So there is a gain of 2% here, so that is plus 2%. That means there is a gain of 2%. So that means option 2 is the right answer. Now listen, there is also a simple formula for this, and what is that formula? Now listen, A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 20%. Suppose this is X percent, and B sells it to C at a loss of 15%. That means suppose it is Y. So resultant profit or loss percent will be X minus Y minus XY by 100. This is the resultant percentage profit or loss. Then listen, according to the symbol we can know whether it is a gain or loss. That means if there is a plus then it will be a gain, and if there is a minus then it will be a loss. Now so it is 20 minus 15 minus 20 into 15 by 100. So 20 5s are 100, 5 3s are 15. So that is 20 minus 18. So that is equal to 2. Here 2%. This percent. So that is 2%. That means your option 2 is the right answer. So students, if you found this video helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.